Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ijoma. So this is the sewing part and the final part of this video. So I posted the cutting part yesterday, and I promised you guys that I'll upload the sewing video. So here is the sewing video. I will show you guys how I joined everything and I'll explain in detail. So for the back, I used a zipper. I did not lace it at the back. I told you guys initially, but if you want to lace yours at the back, you can still do that. So for the sleeve, my net was not enough. I had to complete it with Ankara, and it is still looking fine. So here is the front part of this corset. I am done joining the sides to the center, and I used a white bias to make my bone casing. So I'll go ahead and join my bra cup. I'll also show you guys how I added my bra cup to the fabric. So before joining the bra cup, you will have to join this velvet, the velvet that we cut out. You will have to join it round that bra cup space. This is for the left side. You will also join the velvet for the right side. So you have to do this before you join your bra cup. You can still gather it on top of the bra cup if you want to, but doing it this way is way better. So for the bra cup, this was how I added the fabric to the bra cup. I added a hemming gum on top of my bra cup. Then after doing that, I placed my bra cup fabric. I had to place it on top of the bra cup. You can see that the hemming gum is in between the bra cup and the fabric. So after that, I went ahead and ironed it properly. So this method is very fine, and you'll be free to drag it the way you want so that everything will be smooth. So for the people that normally ask how I join my fabric to my bra cup, this is how I do it. You can also use your candle gum, or you can stitch it with your hand needle. So I am done joining the velvet to the space for the bra cup, and I will trim off the excess. So after that, I will go ahead and join my bra cup. So if you have any excess, you are free to trim it off. So this is what it looks like. I want to show you guys before joining the bra cup. You can see that it is flat, but after joining the bra cup, there will be a very big difference. So right now, I will fix my bra cup. I'll also take you guys to my sewing machine so that you can see how I fixed this bra cup. So I am done joining one part of the bra cup. You can see how it looks. So the other side is still open. So I'll go ahead and fix my bra cup. You will start from the center front. Start joining your bra cup from the center front, and make sure that the velvet is in between the main bodies and the bra cup. And if you are joining, be pushing your velvet back so that it will not interfere while joining. So after joining, I will show you guys what it looks like. So I am done joining, and this is what I have. You can see it is beautiful already. You also join your bra cup lining to the lining. Everything you are doing on the fabric, you should repeat it on the lining except this velvet part. So I'll go ahead and fix my yoke. After joining everything, you will fix your yoke. Remember, this corset blouse has a yoke. So I'll go ahead and join my yoke, and after joining my yoke, I will cover everything up with my lining. So I am done joining this yoke. I will flip the yoke, and then I will place my lining on top. You can see that I joined the lining the way I joined the fabric, and I joined the bra cup of the lining separately. So after joining everything, you go and close, and also leave a space at the side of this blouse where you will turn it out from, and do not forget to add your bone. So this is the yoke for the back. I told you guys the zipper allowance, the zipper will reach the neckline of the back. So this is the yoke for the back. I will go ahead and join. So after joining, I will turn this back part with my lining. I will turn each of them separately, and after turning, remember to leave a space, like a small space at the side of this back part, at the side of this back body, so that you can turn everything out from it. So here is my lining. Like I said earlier, I added a tissue gum to my lining for stability. So I'm trying to arrange everything. So after turning, you go ahead and iron the front and the back. If you want, you can add a hemming gum around the neckline, like around that yoke area. You can add a hemming gum in between the fabric and the lining before ironing, so that it will hold everything down in place. So I am done turning. This is the front. I added my bone and I am done turning, and this is what I have. You can see the inside. So this is the back. I am done turning the back as well, and I have ironed everything properly. So I'll go ahead and close the zipper allowance of this back. I will close it with 1.5. Then after that, I will join the front and the back together. It is very simple. After taking out your zipper allowance, just place the front on the back and take your body measurement. So just take the body measurements and shape. So here is for the sleeve. I am done making my sleeve. So after that, I will put it on my body. I'm done shaping, I'm done fixing my sleeve, but the velvet part is still open. So I will put it on my body. If your client is around, your client should wear it. Then after that, you will twist this velvet side the way you want it to be. You can see I crossed one to the right side and the other one to the other side. You can see how they are crossing each other. A crisscross a crisscross velvet blouse or whatsoever. So after that, you will have to measure where you want it to stop at the back, and then you will trim off the remaining part. So I am still trying to arrange it the way I want it to be. I want to make sure that everything is okay before cutting off the unwanted part of this blouse. So you can see the excess I have at the back, and I want this velvet to stop around the yoke area. So my girl will help me to cut it out. So she will cut off the excess, and after that I will go ahead and join and hold that part down on the fabric. Like after cutting off the excess, you go to your sewing machine and you sew down that part. I don't know if you understand. And remember, this is a velvet, so you should drag it before cutting, so that after joining it will relax very well on your body. You know, velvet is stretchy, so remember to stretch it before cutting, so that when you wear it, everything will relax. So I'll go ahead and join that, and after joining, this is the final look, guys. I hope it is beautiful. So thank you guys for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe. Also click on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. So registration for our September classes is ongoing. We have the blazer, the jumpsuit, the Igbo blouse, and we also have the corset class. So I'll drop the link to our Telegram group so that you can join our Telegram group for more details. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.